Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you have been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I have a lot of grey hair. And I really don't exaggerate when I say a lot. It's really a lot. So basically I have to color my hair every few weeks or touch up my roots every now and then. And as much as I may hate to admit, I am not the most organized person out there. Actually scheduling an appointment to go get my hair colored or planning beforehand is something that really does not happen. Even if I try, I rarely ever make it in time. And not to forget, going and getting your hair colored from a stylist every month is not the best thing for your wallet either, right? So I recently got my hands on BBlunt's Salon Secret High Shine Creme hair color. This one is in the shade Coffee Natural Brown. And I've always had brown hair, so I wanted to try something that was brown again. But this is one of those DIY do it at home kind of kits where basically the box has everything that you would need to color your hair yourself. The only thing that it doesn't come with is a tinting brush. I had one at home lying around, so I just used that. And it literally took me, I was filming, so it took me a little longer. But if you're doing it yourself, once you get the color on, you just have to leave this on for half an hour in your hair and you're good to go. It's super quick and easy to do, and especially for someone like me who's a complete novice. I was really nervous before I started coloring my hair, but honestly it's really easy. You'll see now. I literally have like no grey hair right now, and I also have a brand new hair color, which is great. So if you would like to see how I colored my hair to this, keep on watching. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. I'm gonna start off with a bowl. You need to make sure that you use a non-metallic bowl. Now I have my hair color boxes. If you are coloring your hair globally and the hair length is as long as mine, you would probably need 2 boxes. I've got 2 just in case. The next thing I have is a tinting brush. Now all I'm doing is opening up the first box and setting out everything that's inside. Next I'm going to lay out my manual and read everything properly. You need to make sure that you go through everything in detail so that you know exactly what you're doing. And I'm opening the 3 tubes marked Colorant, Developer and Shine Tonic. I'm squeezing them out into the bowl and mixing them thoroughly until the mixture is creamy and smooth. I then repeated the same process with the second box. As you can see, I'm again mixing my Colorant, Developer and Shine Tonic all together. One of the special things about this hair color is the Shine Tonic. It's basically enriched with silk protein and will make your hair shine and feel so much softer and smoother after you've colored it. I'm just mixing all the contents again, and I now have 2 bowls of hair color. Obviously, before you begin coloring your hair, make sure you wrap a towel around you so that you don't get your clothes stained, but still wear something that you wouldn't mind getting stained just in case. Now as you can see, I'm just taking the tinting brush and I'm separating my hair into different sections, and I'm applying the entire color onto every single bit of my hair. Make sure you get the color onto every strand of your hair. Since you're already wearing gloves, you don't need to fear about getting your hands dirty. You can even use your hands to make sure the color reaches everywhere. Now as you can see, I've just piled my hair up and clipped it in place. And I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes before washing it off. After rinsing the hair color off, I just shampooed and conditioned my hair with my BBlunt Perfect Balance range. So it's been 2 days since I colored my hair. I just let my hair air dry after I shampooed that day, and I just straightened the bit in the front. But this is what the final result looks like. My hair is a darker brown right now. I've always had light brown hair, lighter than this, and for quite a while now. So this is a really welcome change and I really like it. I'd love to know what you guys think of it. I would definitely recommend this. Firstly, it's quite affordable. It retails at $1.99 and they do have a lot of different shade options. As you saw, it's super quick and easy to do just by yourself. So you can definitely give it a shot. Another thing is that this does not contain ammonia, and it also provides 100% grey coverage. So if you're someone like me with a lot of grey hair who needs to keep coloring your hair very often, this one is for you. So this product is now available on Nykaa and Amazon, and I'm going to leave the links to it in the info box below in case any of you guys want to check it out. Apart from that, one thing that I would like to mention is that you guys definitely should do an allergy test of the hair color. The instructions for everything are given in the manual that comes in the box itself. So make sure you read everything carefully before you color your hair. I'm quickly going to show you guys a before and after shot of what my hair color was and what it looks like now, just so you can see for yourself. When it comes to maintaining the color, you would need to touch up your roots every 4 to 6 weeks. BBlunt is a brand that I personally love and I use their products all the time, and I have been recommending them to you guys for the longest time now. It's always a pleasure working with them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful in some way. All the information about the product is in the info box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!